She's really into animals at the moment, and I even thought about, I want to say last week, to get rid of all these animals here, but I'm glad I didn't. Okay. Okay. That sounds fun. And little Anna here is playing. Let It Go is her big deal right now. We just had a visit from the national TV here in Denmark. They're gonna make a show that you're gonna see, and I'll show you guys later. But we just had a visit. The girls are not just in their undies, they kind of took their clothes off. I don't know, but so that was kind of crazy, but it went so well. The two hosts were so nice and so sweet, so I'm just so happy about that. Such a good experience. They are down there right now. See the camera crew? They were so nice. We are just trying on new furniture out here today. We are trying to build this Lego set that we got for Christmas, I think. But this is life here. We are just enjoying this afternoon here. It's partly sunny, partly cloudy, but it's sort of warm. But we're just outside here for the first time in our new furnitures, and this is a lovely place. As long as the sun is right there, like an hour or two, it's not going to be there, but right now it's perfect. A little afternoon training here. Trying, like, right on the line here. So is she. She's got this notebook. It's like a whiteboard book, which is so smart because you can just do it over and over again. And it's so hard. You good, Zoe? Good job. Yeah, you are. You're very good. Huh? Huh? Hi, that's a dino. We're working on holding on the pen too, which is hard. Very good. Mm-hmm. Yes. Wow! Good job. Can you do the dino? Can you do that one? Marble. Okay. So tonight is officially the first night that I and my sweet pup here has just drawn outside here to just hang out. I've been writing, I think, 2 blog posts on my blog, and I can hear the TV in the background, but I can't really watch it because of the glare in the window there. But it's been nice. It's like 8 o'clock, and turned on a little light. I got my laptop, and I got my best buddy here. So this feels great out here. I do want that roof over here. That would mean so much to me. But yeah, this is just such a nice furniture I got. The only bad thing is that this doesn't, like, it can't stay outside. It will like drain or like suck in all the water at nighttime and if it rains. So I do have to find a solution for this. I wonder if I can get like a cover to come over the whole couch here or the lounge set, or what else I need to do. Right now I'm gonna take them inside when I walk in, which is kind of a bummer because that means that we'll have to stay in the living room. There I don't have any room, but for right now it will be fine. I do have planned to find out a solution for it because that's not something that will work out in the long run, but hopefully that roof will come before it's too bad. I don't know.
My God.
Oh my God!
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God.
We are just kind of ending Tuesday here. It is almost bedtime. We just had dinner, now we're just out walking. I think I have like a feeling of I always walk when I'm walking group. I'm not sure, but right now just had dinner, and Zoe and I went to the pool after kindergarten and work so we could train, and she did great. I can definitely tell that we need to do that every single week to get her to where she used to be. She is kind of scared of being in water where she can't like reach the bottom, and it's clingy and it's not really like feeling safe in there, I guess. So we'll do that. We'll try to do that every single week. And we just got a phone call from the hospital that they found a way to put Zoe in tomorrow. So Zoe and I are taking a hospital tomorrow once again. So that's great that we could squeeze her in because we had an appointment like in November. So that's good. So now we're just heading home and trying to get Haley into bath. And then later, bedtime. I don't know, guys, do you want me to walk in Danish? I'm kind of thinking about it because I'm not sure. I kind of love walking in English so that I can practice my English. The girls learn English, but I think that maybe we should turn into Danish because she talks all the time. She talks Danish. What do you guys think? Let me know. Yeah. We're at the hospital. We got an appointment yesterday for today. It was a cancellation from another patient, so that was awesome.
Gang.
Hey there, it's, what day is it? Thursday night, and I'm feeling like, but just because it's sunny, super sunny and warm, we decided to pack up a little dinner and head to the beach for dinner. So we packed up Coco also, and now we're just here. We just got here, which is awesome. The weather is so great, and it looked like we're gonna have the beach to ourselves. So that was a good decision. So that's what we're doing right now. We made it down here, and we got it all to ourselves. It's wonderful. I think I might be able to get some good pictures of the girls. Now we're just having dinner before it got cold. Coco was over there. Yeah. Hi, Zoe and Haley.
Hi.
Look at me.
I'm
So the water games begin. Throwing rocks in the water always works for this chick here. And this chick loves to like collect the rocks and gather them in her little bucket over there. Yeah. Yeah. Good. I'm glad. By the way, are you aware of how big of a training this is for her? Like moving in water, she has to use so much of her muscles to walk in water, so this is just a bonus training for Zoe and fun time for Haley, and also for Haley. Woo. So this is awesome. Rock climbing. Maybe they'll climb Mount Everest one day. Who knows? Yay! You did it, Zoe! Put your hands up! Yay! Do this! Yeah! Yeah!
Ma.
Oh, brave us. We kind of tried to walk out here. I'm kind of, I don't know, I'm kind of feeling a little anxious here. But they're going pretty well. I don't know, I'm always one of those like water and kids and like how many grown-ups, but they are pretty good, my kiddos here. They are kind of listening to what I'm saying. Huh, Zoe? Yeah, there's a bridge